Education is the key to success for certain courses because of if your course is not needed in the country, you won't be hired. But if it's needed, they don't have any choice. It's a must. They have to hire you. But if your course is not needed, which means you'll need someone in the HR department to introduce you to the employer. So, black child, do the right thing. Do the course that is needed in the country. Otherwise, you will need someone from HR to introduce you. But if you are so lucky, a family member or a relative member can introduce you to that someone in the HR department so that that person can introduce you to the employer. I'm Mr. B on Charity Podcast. Re wena, ka wena, ntle le wena, ha ona rona. Do what you do and do it best and love it. So someone wrote me an email today and say something about Bafana Bafana, and then I'm gonna do it now. About Bafana Bafana, I see Gaston McKenzie announced it that if Hugo Bros is leaving Bafana Bafana, Pitso Musiman must continue with the job. But I have questions for Safa. Are they ready to agree with everything that Mr. Pitso Musimani is going to say and is going to offer? Because of as I check Mr. Pitso Musimani, he is the best coach so far. But wait, it's in he made history. So once you hire the guy like him, which means you must know your story, and then you must agree ka ntho e nngwe le nngwe e tlebeng a e bolela, because of the guy loves success. The guy loves to achieve. He wants to achieve. He wants to make history. He wants trophies. So the question Safa is ready with everything the guy is going to say to them, because of I trust him. And then the guy deals with complete players. And I also have questions for Mr. Pizzo if he takes the job. So Safa, are you ready to work with the guy? Are you ready to agree with the guy? If the guy says, for example, I need maybe for example, let's say Tembinko Siloj. I need Tembinko Siloj week in, week out. There won't be any complaint. There is a budget for that. Let's say, for example, South African players, maybe 4 of them are playing overseas. Are you willing to give the guy a budget to go and collect those players to come and represent Bafana Bafana? Because of the guy likes success. He wants to achieve. He loves to win. So Safa, are you ready? It's my main question. Are you ready? And then the guy, he wants to run the club without anyone interfering. Safa, are you ready for that? Because of end of the day, we want results as fans. Safa wants a result. Him as a coach, he wants results. He wants to make history. He wants to achieve. So are you guys ready? Safa office, are you ready? Yes, he's the best coach, but the guy over a plan. How far plan? You must agree with the plan. And then the guy can come to Safa and say, for example, if Lucas Ribeiro, again, if Lucas Ribeiro didn't play for Brazil, he can play for Bafana Bafana. So Safa, are you going to allow that? If a good player from overseas, he didn't play for his national team, are you going to allow that the Mr. Pitso Musiman to take a player from overseas and introduce him to Bafana Bafana? Are you willing to agree with that? Because of sometimes we don't have, for example, in SA, we don't have enough strikers. So if the guy can say, I need a striker from overseas to come and play for Bafana Bafana, are you willing to agree? Can't treat Mr. Mosimane tle ba ikopela. Because of Mr. Pitso Mosimane, if he takes the job, o na le mmereko o montši o tshwantsha o etse. Because of tshwanetse a build squad sa hae. Because of he can't continue ka squad se Hugo Broos a se šile. Because of if you can check for now, Hugo Broos na berekisa this thing ya hore combination ke eng? Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns players. So if they are not doing well in a PSL, are you going to use those players again? As Hugo Broos, he was using them. If Orlando Pirates high perform pile, if Mamelodi Sundowns high perform pile, ira horeng. And then here's Mamelodi Sundowns, sign many foreign players, which means it's killing our country, it's killing our Bafana team. So ke mosebetsi o mongata o Mr. Mosimane o tshwantseng a o etse, which means Mr. Pitso Mosimane must attend all PSL matches so that he can select the players tse yena a di batlang. And then as a player, if o bona hore they announce Mr. Pitso Mosimane for Bafana Bafana as a head coach, just know as a player, you must know your work. Because of the guy is very disciplined. He wants results. If you fail him, walk hard. Has how select. So you better make sure as a player that you know your work. You are the complete player. And then you have individual brilliance. You can make a plan. You must be able to score. You must be able to assist. You must do 60-40. You must attack and defend as well. So are you willing as a player to do that? So Mr. Pitso Mosimane is going to build a national squad from Kofat at Leon. So which means PSL tshwantse go bonagale gore na le competition. Tshwantse go bonagale gore you want to play for Bafana Bafana. No more favors. No more hore he coached you before. Ha isa bereka eo. You must do the job. Because of even us as fans, we have power. We question now. We have platform. We have many platforms to complain. So as a player, you must know your work. So Safa, are you ready? Are you ready? Fans, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Because of the squad that we have, re palla le ko ja le Senegal, re palla le ko ja Cameroon, re palla ko ja Nigeria. So ko World Cup ro loka bjang, ko World Cup ro wina bjang if we can't dominate Africa. So Safa, are you ready? Because of Mr. Pitso Mosimane, he's a strict man. He can even complain about the training facility. So Safa, are you ready to provide proper, good condition facilities for Mr. Mosimane? You see those things I'm mentioning now, you're gonna hear them if they announce him. Those challenges, those problems, Mr. Pitso Mosimane, he can complain about the condition of a pitch, training facilities. So Safa, are you ready to provide everything that is needed for Mr. Mosimane? So someone asked me to do Bafana Bafana to talk about Bafana Bafana today. So that is why today my focus is on Bafana Bafana. So let's be ready. It's our time to shine as Bafana Bafana. It's our time to make history. It's our time to lift trophies. But if we agree and work together and support the guy, I believe we can do it. I'm not personal. We are trying to give advices. We are trying to come up with solutions. We don't just want to see a problem and not come up with solution. So if you see a problem, black child, try to come up with a solution. Try by all means. So let's support Mr. Musiman. Let's give him 100% full support as fans, as SAFA management, as players. Let's give the guy everything he needs. And then once we gave him everything that he needs, that's when we will have power to complain. We are going to have a right to complain. But if you don't give him everything that he needs, we can't complain. So let's give him everything he needs. So ke yona polelo nna ke batla go fitisa to SAFA and Mr. Pitso Mosimane. Please, Mr. Pitso Mosimane, you must attend all PSL matches so that you can start to do your selections. All teams, because of now, we need better results. We are tired of losing, but we have good coaches in South Africa. So if they appoint you, please do the job. I'm Mr. B on Charity Podcast. Re wena, ka wena, ntle le wena, ha ona rona. Ha re be wena. Do it, black child. Ke a e tswalla. King! Saivala.